Hey everybody, this is JSObot1, and I am here with Transformers Prime, Robots in Disguise, Deluxe Class, Ratchet. Yep, so I'll give you a good 360 of this cool little Ratchet figure. Actually, it is a really good figure. It's probably one of the best Ratchet figures I've ever seen. It looks the vehicle mode kind of looks like the G1 cartoon. It's just that there's some painting around here. There's supposed to be this like little medical circle, this little area or something. I don't really know. But anyway, comes with these two little double-bladed swords, which are pretty cool, which were featured in the first couple of episodes of Prime. So, yeah, so let's get started on the review. Alright, first thing you want to do is flip them over. Flip these feet. He's like, yeah. Then you want to pop this open. Oh, no, wait a second, you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to pop this up. I'm trying to break it. You're going to just disconnect it. Like that. Now you just raise it up. Well, actually, you turn this around. Sort of like that. Then you fold out the feet. Well, feet like so. You fold these down. Just like that. And there you got the feet. Alright, now what you want to do is put these out. Yeah, just fold these out. Fold the arms out. You just fold these in. These little tablets that go on these little pegs. These little pegs right here. But first you have to fold out the hands. You clip it in. And the last final step, you fold it back down, and this head will pop up. Get them straight. Here we have Transformers Prime, Robots in Disguise, Deluxe Class, Ratchet. In his little view, in his little robot mode. It is a little tricky to get straight. Yep. Right. Yeah, it is a little tricky to get straight. Ratchet. Yeah. So, good 360 for Ratchet. Actually, I really like this figure. Yeah. Got these nice little blue eyes. Really accurate color scheme. For his weapons, what you have to do is fold down his hands. And you just fold them on. Oh. There we have yeah. You have his little sword. Might have had them all backwards. There we go. Now there's a sword. Here we go. Here we have Yep, there's Ratchet. Hope you enjoyed this video. Can't wait to show you the next few reviews that I have in store for you. The gaming series is coming soon. Probably this week, I don't know. Maybe. So basically, I'll see you later. This is JS111 signing out. I wish you a happy day.